Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
So, how is your exam?
It was enjoyable.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, how much number you can expect it?
For me, I think I'm expecting above 80% something.
80%. And Matthias?
Yes.
Expecting from also the same.
Also the same.
Just from yes, somewhere the 85 or 84, 83.
Okay. So, can you get the mark sheet?
The what?
The mark sheet.
Yes. Can you receive the mark
Did you
sheet?
get it, sir? Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. Miss Anna will provide you, but Johannes,
Mark sheet.
you get 75.
75. Okay.
Yes. And Matthias, you get 76.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
So at
Yes,
first,
sir.
I discussed Johannes' mark sheet, answer sheet, that
Yes, sir.
in multiple choice, you get 9 marks out of 10.
Yes,
Only
sir.
the second, what is the full form of MC? It's message center.
Message center.
Yes, but you write micro center.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
in describe the full form. Second question. What is the full form of FDMA? You get 1.5, that is 1.5 mark out of 2, because FDMA is frequency division multiple access.
Voice yatungu.
FDMA is frequency division multiple access. Johannes, can you listen me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Okay. In FDMA, frequency division multiple access, but you write frequency division mobile access. Still, I will provide you number 1.5 out of 2.
Yes, sir.
LBS, that is location based service, but you write location based station.
Yes, sir.
I also give you 1.5 marks.
Yes, sir.
PDA is personal digital assistance, is okay, you will get 2 marks. Number 4,
Yes.
RNC.
That one I was struggling with that one.
You write number code, but it's radio network controller.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then AAA Authentication authorization account is okay.
Yes, sir.
In number 6 CDR, you write code division record or code downloaded record, but it's call details record.
Yes, sir.
In 7 CDMA, code division multiple access is okay. GSM,
Yes.
mobile system for mobile communication, but you write mobile, only mobile. I will get full marks.
Yes.
MTS, mobile telecommunication system is okay. You get 2 marks. Mean mobile identity number or identification number is same, so you will get 2 marks. In
Yes,
full
sir.
form, you get all total 15 marks.
Yes.
What is the full form of SIS? Subscriber Identity Security is okay.
Yes.
What is the work of receiver? Receiver is help us receive phone calls, etc. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the full form of NPDB? Number dash division base. Number
I don't know, sir.
portability database. It's wrong.
Number.
Portability database.
All right.
So you did not get any marks. Then
Yes, sir.
number 4. What is the full form of CDMA? Wideband code division multiple access is okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the work of LED? LED converts light energy. Yes, it's okay. What is the full form of TDMA? You just write division mobile access. What division? What is the stand for T? It's
It's time.
time division mobile access. So you will write
Yes,
only
sir.
division mobile access, so you will get 2 marks out of 3.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is the full form of FPC? Flex printed circuit, but you write frequency dash circuit. So you did not get any marks.
Yes, sir.
What does UMTS stand for?
Hello.
It's Universal Mobile Telecommunication System is okay. So in this question you will get 23 marks out of 30.
Yes.
What is the work of a mic? Mic, it helps us to receive audio signal when someone calling, or it capture the audio voice. Yes, it's okay.
Yeah.
Next, what is the full form of OTASL, over the air software loading?
Yes.
Is okay. Next, answer the following question. Describe all version of Android operating system: Cupcake, Gingerbread, Honeycomb, Oreo, Ice Cream Sandwich, Kit Kat, Eclair, Lollipop, Donut, Nougat, Oreo, Marshmallow, Jelly Bean. It's okay.
Yes.
You will get 5 marks.
Yes, sir. This one.
Yes. Next, this State variety type of measurement done by multimeter. Just only you write checking current, voltage, ohm. But I want it described. So you will get 2 marks out of 5 for writing the current, volume, ohm. Okay.
Yes.
Next, describe the assembling and disassembling. You will get 4 marks.
Yes.
Next, describe the problem. Variety type of problem. Ringer, receiver, mic, vibrator, earphone jack, charging connector, LCD, camera, touchpad, SIM connector. You will get full marks.
Yes.
Describe the smartphone operating system. You write okay, but I want it in briefly so that you will get 4 marks out of 5.
Yes.
Then the long question, describe the spare parts component of a mobile phone and also state their function.
Yes.
You will write all the points, resistor, capacitor, diode, IC. So you will get 8 out of 10.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But you did not write one question, that is in number 4, Roman 4, number 2. Describe the PCBA in details. You did not
Yes,
write.
that one I saw it late, sir.
Yes?
That one when I went home, then I saw that question. I did not write it.
Yes. So if you write it, you will get another 4 to 5 marks, so you will get 80 marks.
Yes.
So out of 100, you will get 75 marks.
Yes, sir.
It's good. Next, I come to Mr. Maithias.
Yes, sir.
I think you have copied from, if Maithias copies from Johannes or Johannes copies from Maithias in short question, because all are right, only the MC is wrong. Maithias right, none of this.
No, we did not copy, sir.
Who is copying, Maithias or Johannes?
No, sir, we did not copy.
Maithias, so you copied from Johannes?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
So, in multiple choice, you will get 9 marks. In Roman 2, describe the full form question. FDMA, frequency division multiple access, is okay. You will get 2 marks. LBS, location based station, not location based service. So you will get 1.5 marks. Then PDA, personal digital assistant, you will get 4 marks. RFC, radio network controller. So you write radio record number center. So it's wrong. Then AAA, authentication, authorization account is okay. CDR, call detail record. CDMA, code division multiple access. GSM, global system for mobile communication or mobile, it's okay. MTS, you write mobile telecommunication system, but it's mobile telephone service. So you did not get the mark. And last, mean mobile identity number. So in this part you also get 15 marks. In Roman 3 short question, what is the full form of SIS? Subscriber Identity Security. You just write Subscriber Identity Service. So you will get 2 marks out of 3. Next, I ask, what is the work of receiver? You write, it produces sound around when you are playing music, used for notification, message, call, etc. But Matthias, it's vibrator work. You write work of vibrator. But I ask you, what is the work of receiver? It helps us to receive the sound from other side person. So you did not get any marks. Number 3, NPDB, number portability database is okay. CDMA, wideband code division multiple access is okay. LED, it's convert current energy to light energy, okay. Light emitting diode you also write. In number 6, TDMA, time division multiple access is okay. But you did not write what is the full form of FPC. It's very bad. Because last last week when we had discussed about your pre-final exam, I will discuss that FPC, flex printed circuit. You forgot it.
What is that?
Flex,
What is that, sir?
flex printed
Yes.
circuit. F for flex, P for printed, C for circuit. But nobody write it. No one.
Again.
Then UMTS, Universal Mobile Telecommunication Service is okay. What is the work of a mic? It produces sound around you. It takes your voice during call. Is okay. Next, what is the full form of OTASL? Over the air software loading is good. So in number 3, Roman 3, you will get 23 marks. In Roman 4, describe all versions of Android operating system: ice cream sandwich, Kit Kat, gingerbread, honeycomb, eclair, lollipop, marshmallow, nougat, Oreo. But you write only 9 versions. There are other few version also available like Folio, Jelly Bean. So you will get 4 marks. Hello student, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can you, sir?
Okay. Next, describe the PCBA in details. PCBA is full from printed circuit board assembly. It's a mechanically support and content electrically and electronics conductive with track pad and paste board on sheet copper laminated with conductive and non-conductive sheet. Yes, you will get 4 marks out of 5. Then state various type of measurement done by multimeter, ringer, vibrator, ohm voltage. What is the main current? So you will get only 2 marks out of 5. Next, describe the mobile assembling and disassembling process. You write all totals, so you get 5 marks. Then describe the type of problem faced in cell phone, ringer, mic, battery, LCD, touchpad, charging connector, software, camera. What is the battery cover problem? Please just discuss. What is the problem of battery cover?
See, sometimes it's like the other phone is broken, so sometimes the battery cannot connect.
It's maybe broken. When you put it down, it's maybe broken, but it's not the battery cover problem, okay? So you will get
Sometimes it's also a problem.
you will get 4 marks. Describe the smartphone software installation process. You just write the instrument or file requirement, but it's writing briefly. Still I give you the 4 marks out of 5. In long question, describe the spare parts component of a mobile phone and also state the function. Touchpad, flex, digital camera, earphone jack, ringer, receiver, battery, and many more components like resistor, transistor, capacitor, diode, all are present. So you will get 6 marks in this long question. All total, you get 76 marks out of 100. So your result is nearly your expectation, right?
You are saying, sir?
I am saying that what you are expecting, both of you are expecting, the results are more nearly same. I mean, you expect 80 or 80 plus, but it's 75 and 76. It's near about 80, right?
Yes, sir.
So your result is very good, and also uh, you write very good as per your knowing.
Yes,
But
sir.
I am request to you that please see all the PPT which is already shared in WordPress, so that you will know why you are get mistake.
Yes.
So just a moment, Miss Rajeshwari will come shortly and tell you something.
Yes, sir.
So students, I believe the question paper is clear with you all.
Yes, madam.
So today is the last class and your question papers are already checked. Okay.
Yes.
On full payment, the question papers will be released from our end and the final result will be on the basis of all the factors as mentioned earlier, that is your attendance, your pre-final examination, your punctuality, assignments, everything. So we will be releasing the marks very soon and you will get it from Miss Anna. So thank you for being a part of Orion. Have a
Welcome.
great day and all the best for your future.
Yes, sir. Same to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too.
So, bye bye students.
Bye-bye, sir.
Best of luck for your future.
Yes, sir.
Have a great day.
You too, sir.
It was nice teaching to you.
Yes.
Yes,
It was also nice learning from you, sir.
Okay. Bye bye students.
Bye-bye.